loaded sweet potatoes. And I'm just gonna get those in the oven. We're gonna let that cool for just a minute, and then I'll let you work on that. And so everybody has sweet potatoes at Thanksgiving, and so we're doing our little twist on that today. This is just roasted sweet potatoes that we've cut in half and roughed up a little bit, like you would if you were just having baked potato for dinner. And instead of marshmallows, we're kind of doing with a little bit of sour cream on top. But like our sweet potato souffle has like roasted, has pecans with a little bit of sugar and butter. So we're using pepitas, and that's basically a pumpkin seed without the hull. And you can really buy any candied nut or seed that would work.
I love them.
I love them too.
And I've not had them sugared like that.
They're a little lit. They're gonna add a nice little crunch and a little bit of
That's gonna be
sweetness.
really good.
And then Beth's got some beautiful mint over there. We're gonna sprinkle
Super
over.
fragrant, yeah.
I'm looking forward to this meal because it is all the foods that we love, but just a little different from the usual fare.
Yeah.
These sweet potatoes are very good. Always a nice addition.